At the foothills of the Velliyangiri mountains, Sadhguru established the Isha Yoga Center as a sacred space for self-transformation. The powerfully consecrated spaces at the center are a key element in fulfilling Sadhguru's vision of raising human consciousness.
It's a very powerful energy center that's been created. It's unique in all ways, I would say. The very way we have constructed it, the way everything is done there, is done with a specific purpose as to why it is.
Consecration is a life process. It's like this. If you transform mud into food, we call this agriculture. If you make food into flesh and bone, we call this digestion, integration. If you make flesh into mud, we call this cremation. Or if you can make this flesh, or even a stone, or even an empty space, into a divine possibility, that is called consecration.
The focal point of Isha Yoga Center is Dhyanalinga. The dream of many enlightened beings, Dhyanalinga was consecrated by Sadhguru after 3 years of an intense process of Pran Pratishtha. A doorway to enlightenment and spiritual liberation, the energies of the Dhyanalinga create a possibility for every human being who comes in contact with it to experience life in its totality. In the sphere of Dhyanalinga, one naturally and effortlessly becomes meditative. Adjacent to Isha Yoga Center is Linga Bhairavi, an exuberant expression of the divine feminine, fierce and compassionate at once. Several rituals and offerings allow devotees to benefit from Devi's grace and assist in every step one takes in life, whether it is in relationships, health, prosperity, or general well-being. The Surya Kund for men and Chandra Kund for women are energized water bodies at the Isha Yoga Center. A dip in their vibrant waters greatly enhances spiritual receptivity while having an uplifting effect on one's physical and mental well-being. Unique in structure and design, the Adiyogi Alayam is designed to bring back classical Hatha Yoga in its purest form. The Adiyogi Alayam houses the Adiyogi Linga, which has been consecrated specially for the transmission of classical yoga. In the yogic culture, Shiva is seen as the first yogi or the Adiyogi, the source of yoga. The majestic 112-foot face of Adiyogi is the largest face of its kind in the world and was consecrated by Sadhguru. It was unveiled by the Prime Minister in 2017. Installed near Adiyogi is the Yogeshwar Linga, which was consecrated by Sadhguru as a manifestation of 5 of the major chakras in the human system.
Why Adiyogi? What is the significance? Over 15,000 years ago, when he explored this and expounded the science of yoga, the science of human mechanism, how to handle it, how to take it to its peak. And he offered 112 methods, not commandments, but methods as to how you can do this for every kind of human being. This is what Adiyogi represents. This is an offering to the world. This glorious face is designed to drive this movement that human beings should understand. In pursuit of well-being, you don't have to look up, you don't have to look out. In is the only way out.
In the times to come, the place where we have gathered is going to be a source of inspiration for all, a place to immerse oneself and discover truth. One truly remarkable thing that Sadhguru has done is, he has made yogis out of ordinary common people.
It brings great joy to me to be here with you today in the presence of the magnificent 112-foot statue of Adiyogi.